Good morning, dear students. In the chapter Introduction to Photoshop CS6, today we are going to explore the new tools that are Crop Tool, Move Tool, and Quick Selection Tool. So now let's start from the Crop Tool first. Crop tool is present in the Tools panel of your Photoshop window and it is placed on the fifth place. So this is one of the selection tool known as crop tool. This crop tool is used to select a required part of the image and removes the unwanted part outside the selected part of your image. Suppose that you are having a family picture and there is so much unwanted area around it. So you want to remove it and keep only the family picture. So you can do this using crop tool. Now let's see practically how we can crop an image in the Photoshop. So first of all, you need to place an image on the screen in this way, and after that, for cropping it, you need to select the crop tool which is present in this tools panel. So in this tool panel, you can see this is the selection tools, and here the fifth one selection tool is your crop tool. So this is the crop tool. You need to select it for cropping your image. After clicking on it, you can see there is a sizing handles. So you can move it either vertically or horizontally, or you may move it diagonally. So using all three ways, you can crop your image either vertically, horizontally, or diagonally. So here I want to crop my image diagonally so that horizontal and vertical part both will be removed. So in this way, and then afterwards I see there is bit of unwanted area still there. So I'm going to crop it horizontally this time. Once you are satisfied with your cropping, you can see your selected area. Just click on this tick and you can see unwanted area is removed now, and this is your original image which is present on your screen. So now you can modify this image or make changes according to your choice. So your image is cropped now. Next tool is used most commonly in the Photoshop, and that is Move tool. Can you identify in this tool panel where it is placed? Yes, it's on the second position. So this Move tool is used to shift or move your image or the part of the image. This Move tool is used to move or drag the selected part of the image to the another location. For example, this picture is present at the left top corner of this screen. But if you want to move it to the right bottom corner, so you can do this task using Move tool, and your picture will be shifted from one place to the another location. Now it's a time to see the practical of the Move tool. So first of all, we need to select this Move tool, and after that you need to click on the place that you want to move. Right now I'm selecting this layer where I had put my text, so I can easily move my text from one place to another by just clicking and dragging my mouse. So in this way you can also drag or shift your text using Move tool. In the similar way, instead of text, you can also move your picture. So just select the layer on which picture is present and then simply click over here, and then you can move your picture. So this is how you can also shift your text or images from the screen using Move tool in the Photoshop. Next tool is Quick Selection tool. It is used to quickly select the image or the part of the image. In the tool panel, it is present on the fourth position, and it is also one of the selection tool. That is why known as quick selection tool. In quick selection tool is used for quickly selecting a part of an image or the complete image which requires great precision to reach. Now using quick selection tool, I'm going to select one of the member of the family. So I had clicked over here quick selection tool, and after that I had selected this girl. You can see automatically the edges, till the edges, all the boundary of this girl is selected. So this is the power of the quick selection tool, that immediately it is going to select the image. Let's select this one. Now using quick selection again, I'm going to select this boy. Could you see? Exact boundaries are being selected using quick selection tool. So now what we can do using it? Let me show you. So I had used this quick selection tool and I had selected this area. But could you see there is some extra area also gets selected this time. So how you can remove it? Using this minus. You could see 3 brushes are there, one with the normal, which is quick selection tool. Then there is a sign of plus, and the third one where it is a sign of minus. So you need to choose the minus one because extra areas get selected. So click on this minus one and click over here. Automatically this area will be removed from the selection. Now I'm going to create a copy using Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. You can see an extra layer is added on the layers panel. So now what you can do is you can move that selected area which you had copied and pasted. And now what does that mean? You can add an extra member or clone the member which is already existing in your family picture. So this is how you can select the images perfectly using the quick selection tool.